Intracytoplasmic sperm injection is done by an embryologist in a microbe manipulator as shown in the video. Once this injection done, we are taking out this dish to the another microscope for the transfer to the jerry dish. Now loading of jerry dish, we are going to use another glass Pasteur pipette for transferring the embryos from the injection dish to the jerry dish. Each patient chamber has one jerry dish in which there are 16 wells filled with imported single culture media. Only one embryo is transferred gently to each well of the dish and patient chamber lid will be locked. Once we open the chamber, we can see this is a jerry bottle, this is jerry filter, this is a jerry dish position, this is another 4-well dish position. Once we put the jerry dish, we can lock like this and open like this. Once we did that, we have to close the chamber. Now to add the patient into the jerry incubator, we have to put name, patient ID, then cycle type, then age of the egg. Once we did that, like this way, we label the individual chamber for each patient and saved. Once we saved that, we have to adjust the jerry wells position along with the camera with position number 1, then save, then position number 5, then adjust and then save, then position number 9, then adjust and save, and then last position number 13 and adjust and saved. Once it happen completed, we have to start the empty well detection for the wells. This is customized setting for the camera of the Z-Stack plane for each chamber camera. Now cycle types, we have to select the mentioned cycle type and we can adjust with this key. This is cycle type name. This is a configuration of the server address, adjust time, configuration network. This information related to the name of the jerry instrument, serial number. Here we can select the languages for the jerry instrument. This information shows the CO2 percentage level for each chamber. This is a main screen. We have to put here development hours and then we have to start the empty well detection. Once we press that, we can see empty well detection in progress and please wait. Each chamber 16 embryos are detecting by the camera. If there is no embryo, it's showing in a blue dot mark. Jerry starts recording the time-lapse events once we confirm that recording.